Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. We ready students? Are you ready? Okay, stand, sit, 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 stand. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, stop, 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 clap, stop. Okay children, sit in your places. Everyone sit, settle down. Okay. See, today's good habit, what is that? You should give respect to elders. Yes. How will give respect to elders? See, when the elders entering the room or place, what you have to do? You should stand up and you should wish them. Yes or no? You should stand up and you should wish them. If you do that, what will happen? Tell me. That is the sign of respect. Yes or no? See, it is the major sign that makes people elder than you, special and respectful. Understood children? What you have to do? You should greet them. Stand up and you should greet them in respectfully. Understood children? You should learn this. Understood? After them the sit and ask if they need anything. If we enter in the room, what you have to do? You should stand up and you should wish them. And after that, what you have to do? You should say them sit. After that, you should ask them what you need. Understood? If you need anything, I will do that. Like that, you should say. Understood, children? Give respect to elders and you should be good children. Understood? Be a good children. Don't be a bad children. You are a good children. Children, open your classwork, ma. You should do these sums, okay? What is the difference between 23 and 3? First question. What is the difference between What is the difference between 23 and 13? See, what is the difference between 23 and 13? What you have to do? You should do the column first. S, ones place, tens place. S. Here 23 minus 13 as 3 minus 3 0. In the 2 1 should cancel as 1 after 2 only 1, that you should write. What is the difference between 23 and 13? 10 is the difference. Understood? Second one. Find the difference R, this is R, okay? Difference between 8 and 5. See, 8 minus 5. What is that answer? 5 after up to 8 you should count. As 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3. That 3 you should write here. Understood? Copy in the classwork. Now third one. See, subtract subtract 89 from 99. Subtract 89 from 99. What you have to do? Should write the place value chart. As should draw the place value chart. After that, ones place, tens place. See, in which number you should subtract? 99 minus 89. 9 minus 9? 0. 9 minus 8. Yes, 8 after 9. Only 1. That 1 you should write. What is that answer? 10 is the answer. Fourth one. Solve (185) minus 170. See what you have to do? Again you should draw the place value chart. Yes. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Because 3-digit numbers. First, 185 minus 170. See, 5. In the 5, 0 will minus means 5. Here 8, here 7. In the 8, 7 should minus. 7 after 8, only 1. That 1 you should write here. 1 minus 1, 0. What is that answer? 15 is the answer. Understood? Copy. Fifth one. What is the difference between between 985 and 453? See, what is the difference between 985 and 453? What you have to do? Should minus 985 minus 453. Yes, should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, 985 minus 453. In the 5, 3 should minus. Yes, what you have to do? 3 after up to 5 you should count. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. Here 8, here 5. 5 after up to 8 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3. That 3 you should write here. Here 9, here 4. 4 after up to 9 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 5. That 5 you should write here. Understood, children? Solve. -93 minus 23. What you have to do? Again you should draw the columns. Ones place, tens place, because 2-digit numbers. Okay? First 93 minus 23. 3 minus 3? 3 minus 3, 0. Here 9, here 2. 2 after, up to 9 you should count. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 7 fingers. That 7 you should write. What is the answer? 70 is the answer. Understood? Copy in the classwork. These are practicing. Understood? Children, see here. See, what is the difference when 0 is subtracted from 381? See, what is the difference when 0 is subtracted from 381. See, what is the difference when 0 is subtracted from 381? What is the difference? 381 minus 0. 381 only. Yes? Because 0. 0 if you subtract, that answer should come. Understood? Whatever question, whatever is your number, that number should come. If you subtract from 0. Understood? Number itself. Already I told you properties of subtractions. S in that is there. See. Find the difference between number. Find the difference between number four, 12 and 1. See, 4, 12 minus 1. 4, 12 minus 1. See, this is ones place. Yes. See what you have to do? Column. No, na? Sorry. 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes. 4, 12. Here 1. Here nothing. Any number is there? No. In the 2, 1 should minus. Yes. 1 after 2. Only one finger. That 1 you should write. Here any number is there? That 1 you should write. This number you should write. What is that answer? 411 is the answer. Understood? Children, everyone open your homework book and copy these questions, and you should do these sums. Okay, children? Subtract 2-digit and 3-digit. Numbers with regrouping. Understood? You should do this. See, copy and do this in the homework book. Okay, this is your homework. You should copy this in the homework book and you should do this. Okay, you should draw the place value chart and you should do this. Children, this is your project work. You should do it in the project work. Okay? Object, geometrical figure, geometrical features. Okay? Like this you should do it in the project work. Okay? This two. Cube, cuboid. Okay? This one only do. Do it in the project work, ma. This is FA1 project work. Understood? This and this 5. Okay, cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone. Okay, this is your project work. You should do it in the project work book. FA1 project work. Before Thursday you should submit. Children, this is FA2 project work. Okay, chapter number 3. Write the given numbers in the place value chart. Write the expanded form of each of the following numbers. Write the number name of each of the following numbers. These 3 bits you should do it in the project work. Understood? Chapter number 3. Okay, you should see and write in the project work book. Should do these 3 bits. Okay, this is your project work for FA2.